We're responsive and we know what we're doing and we're good at what we do. And also we certainly try to be a value-driven firm. Brian Sweeney, I lead our manufacturing distribution industry group and I'm a partner here at Redpath. I've been with Redpath a little over 20 years. I manage a book of business. I have clients that I work with directly that I am the main point of contact with, regardless of their needs or issues. They can call me or will call me and I can help them with whatever they need, whether it be an audit issue or a tax issue, payroll, whatever it might be. We as a firm try and make sure that we're providing something other than compliance and not just cranking out a tax return or doing an audit. We're trying to bring value. A lot of the clients that have been clients of the firm for a long time, and I have just tried to foster that relationship and have them be able to trust me and pick up the phone and call me without hesitation. The people and the culture here and the variety of what I do, I think those are the main things that have kept me here over the years.